the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel. Today I'm traversing through the dense forests of Alaska and making sure I watch out for bears, critters, and other nature's dangers. Come with me. Now I've actually been in this forest before on a nature preserve trip with my hiking group back in 08. And it's a very tough and demanding trail. When we're walking through the shrubbery, we have to watch out for prickly thorns, cave spiders, and grizzly bears. And it looks like we have a local here that I can come talk to. Sir, hello. What's your name?
Scrimlow.
Scrimlow, okay. What are you here for? You fishing?
Yes, sir.
That's great. And do you usually stay around these ports?
That's my house. House.
Right there.
Oh,
You swim under there?
yes, sir.
Well, that's incredible. Would you like to come with me for my nature journey?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can stay your fishing right down here and come with me. Maybe you can help explain to me the area since you're local.
Pea spot. Pea.
Okay, so this is
Fresh-
actually where he uses the
Fresh
bathroom.
pea. Fresh. 2 minutes ago.
And what's your name?
Scrimlow.
Scrimlow. This is where Scrimlow uses the bathroom.
Fresh pea right here.
This is
Fresh.
fresh.
Fresh topic. Fresh.
That's fresh pea. He has
Fresh
very
pea.
colorful pea.
Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
keep taking the form.
Oh, yes, sir. Eurasian spider nest.
Okay, and what is this used for?
I eat
Okay.
when no fish. Eat when no fish.
Okay, very good.
No
So this
fish equals Scrimlow spiders.
Okay, so this is a good food source.
No, sir. They hatch inside belly and eat from inside.
Okay, so okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
So what is this? Is this a recreational
Oh,
activity?
sir, girlfriend. That's my girlfriend. Girlfriend Bimblo. Girlfriend Bimblo.
Can I say either?
Use.
Oh, my people know me. I'm a very nice guy.
Bimblo, say hi. Is this Bimblo?
Bimbo, you're a very beautiful woman, and I'm so happy to see you.
Don't touch Bimblo. Bimblo, Scrimlow, close.
Okay, very good.
Scrimlow, Bimblo, Scrimlow.
That's fine. Now, please, take me.
Scrimlow ready.
Anything else you could show the people?
Scrimlow. Okay. Scrimlow saber tooth.
And this is an animal?
No, saber tooth.
Oh, this is the tooth of an animal.
No, saber tooth.
This is a saber tooth.
No. Saber tooth of Scrimlow.
This is your tooth.
No, saber tooth Scrimlow.
Okay, could you please define this?
Scrimlow,
Yeah, please.
saber tooth.
Okay.
Saber tooth, Scrimlow. Saber tooth of Scrimlow.
Okay, let's move on. I like it. It's very cool. The people will love to see that.
Thank you, gigantic river.
Yeah.
Ha!
Okay,
Scrimlow.
this is how you get over the river. You jump.
Scrimlow.
Very good.
Very nice.
Is this
Scrimlow.
another home here?
No.
No.
Stay away.
Okay.
Bebder house. Bebder.
Oh, that's a better house. Okay.
Land stop.
Also, your property line.
Property. Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
Saber.
Fellas, we are in a major Criminal's wife is thrown to the river. He is now using his saber tooth to stay. Oh. Alright, we gotta go. Come up here. Come on. We gotta save your wife. Come here. Fellas, this is a very urgent mission. We need to save his wife. She tragically slipped along the riverside and it fell into the river. Okay, he's now going to grab a traditional Alaskan fish net to retrieve his wife. It's incredible efficiency that the Alaskan people have out here. Swim. Oh, she's safe. She's beached on the island. Swim low. Swim low. No, don't worry. Swim low. Blow. Okay, fellas, we're getting urgent vitals. Bimbo is alive. We have mocked up
Grimlow.
makeshift javelin to unlodge
Grimlow.
from her beach location. That's okay. That's why we have backup. He is just critically wounded his wife. Grimlow! Oh my god. Fellas, in an attempt to unlodge her, he has stuck a wood bar through her head. And she is now definitely passed away. Grimlow! 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 Captured! Captured! Grimlow! No, wait.
You've been blown now.
No.
You've been blown now.
No.
You think I'm Bimblo.
No.
I Bimblo, you Bimblo.
No.
Bimblo. You're Bimblo.
No, wait, look. There's another tool.
No, you bet. Oh. Yeah, two at that.
Bimblo! We still have time. We have time. We need to salvage a tool. Bimblo. Oh my god. He's found the long lost staff of Wizard Aberon. No!
Oh, it's breaking.
No. Oh!
Bimblo.
Well, we have time.
You become Bimblo.
No. Here. Lots of tools.
You grab.
Okay.
Whoa.
We can break off.
No. One big.
Okay.
Bimblo. We're just making it worse. I'm not gonna lie. There's no way it's getting out. You know, I just made it 10 times worse. We need to get other side, Bebder side. Good tool.
Whoa.
Help. my gosh. Bemblo. Oh. Bemblo coming. Oh. Bemblo coming. Oh. Oh. Bemblo.
I'll stabilize.
Bemblo. Just belly. Stabilize, stabilize. No! Make it work.
Scrimbo,
It's not moving anywhere. You bimbo.
I have to break the news to you. I think your wife has passed away. Sorry. No. No, please. Stay with me. Stay with me. No. Stick with me. No. It's not worth crying. No. Stick with me. You gotta stay with me, man.
Bimbo was
Oh.
my, Bimbo was
I know.
my everything.
Hey, I know, Juan. No, you gotta stick with me.
Bimbo was mine.
I know. I know. But you know what? You did the right thing. You tried to save her in her final efforts.
Bimbo was my everything.
Yep. You did the right thing, man. Yep.
You bimbo.
No, I have to leave.
You bimbo.
I'm going back home soon.
Ice cream blow, you
No,
bimbo.
you have to. Yeah, I have to go back home soon.
You bimbo.
No, I have to go back home.
You bimbo.
I cannot.
You bimbo.
I cannot.
You bimbo. You become bimbo. You kill bimbo.
No, I don't. Whoa.
You throw bimbo in lake because you
No,
jealous. You jealous. You call wife beautiful. You want to be bimbo.
I'm sorry about your loss or anything. Sure, man. Let's get out of here.
What was that?
Dude, no idea. I think you gotta get out here.
You bimbo. You bimbo. Good bimbo. Good bimbo. Come bimbo. Come bimbo.
Squirrel!
No. Bimbo. You bimbo. Bimbo. Walk bimbo.
I can't.
I can't either.
I have a family. I already have one.
You family to me. He died. If you know. Come.
No, you don't do it. You don't do it. That's gonna be it for this nature reserve. I don't know if I can upload this to any YouTube device. But thanks for watching.